Greg MacLuckie has always been a very active man. He graduated university with a degree in kinesiology and furthered his professional training to become a licensed Doctor of Chiropractic. As a chiropractor, Dr. MacLuckie has worked with a broad spectrum of patients, including many professional athletes. Greg went on to meet Patty, the love of his life, and start a family. He is now the father of twin girls, Charlotte and Isabel. Greg always stood out among his friends and associates for his enthusiastic spirit, vitality, and zest for life. But then, on November 3rd, 2012, tragedy struck, and his life changed in the blink of an eye. While crossing the street as a pedestrian, he was struck violently by an automobile. He very quickly lost all vital signs, but miraculously was revived at the scene by a complete stranger. His injuries were extremely serious, and the doctors gave him a 50% chance of survival. Since that accident, Greg's road to recovery has been bumpy and marked by intensive rehabilitation. But he has been given a second chance at life and is experiencing it to the fullest. He is riding his bike again and has even competed in a number of races this year. While Greg is no longer in active practice as a chiropractor, he has embarked upon a new career as a motivational speaker. His miraculous story is one of perseverance, determination, and willpower. It is an uplifting tale about the human spirit that has a lesson for all of us. Please welcome Dr. Greg MacLuckie.